Keisha from Coconut Robot, and today I'd like to show you how I used my brother's Scan and Cut to create these dry erase placemats. So this side I've created a little tic-tac-toe game, and the other side is just blank. So she can just use dry erase markers or dry erase crayons to color on the vinyl that I've attached onto my placemat. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you what products we need today to do this. For my tic-tac-toe placemat, you'll need the fabric that you'll be using as your base. In addition to that, in order to create the dry erase surface, you'll need to get some iron-on vinyl. This isn't the same as the colored iron-on vinyl that I've used for my tic-tac-toe surface, but instead it's a full sheet of iron-on vinyl, but you simply iron it onto the fabric and it creates a waterproof, and I found, dry erase surface very simply. You can wash them. They recommend that you wipe them off, but if you do wash it, you can just re-iron it if any of the adhesive comes off. So I ordered that on Amazon. It came in 17 inches wide, and that is how I decided how wide to do my placemat. So you'll need your fabric, your iron-on vinyl, and whatever you want to use to either bind your placemat, or you can just do a nice simple seam around the edge like I've done on this one. You can either use fabric, or I used iron-on vinyl for my tic-tac-toe board. I'll be showing you how I just drew my tic-tac-toe using marker and scanned that into my Scan and Cut and cut that out. For my fall placemat, my daughter and I actually just went on a little nature hike, and she picked out some leaves, and I scanned those leaves into my Scan and Cut, and I cut those out of fabric, just little pieces of scraps that I had, using my iron-on adhesive on the back. We'll need our Scan and Cut scan mat to scan in our images, and our low-tack mat for our iron-on vinyl. If you decide to use fabric, you'll also need to use your fabric mat. You won't need the fabric support sheet because we're using the iron-on adhesive behind the fabric. So let me go ahead and get started and show you how I've created these projects. What I'm going to be doing now is just selecting my font for my tic-tac-toe heading. Remember, when we use our iron-on vinyl, we always need to mirror our image. And now I'm going to go ahead and prep my vinyl. So here I have my paper mat. Peel back my protective layer. And remember to follow the instructions on your own iron-on vinyl, depending on the brand that you purchase. But I'm going to put mine glossy side down. The next piece that I'm going to prepare for my iron-on vinyl are my tic-tac-toe boards. I really want these to look like they're simply drawn on in a marker, so that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to scan in my drawing and cut out the outlines out of my iron-on vinyl and adhere that to my placemat. So as you can see, by scanning in the background image of my vinyl, I'm able to perfectly align my tic-tac-toe boards so they'll cut out exactly on my vinyl, and I won't accidentally cut off the mat by mismeasuring.